All right, so I got something special, man. At least to me, it's special. I don't know how y'all might feel about these, because clearly they are brick. Now, I know I already took them out the box, but sorry. I know y'all like to see when they first come out the box and all that, but I know I already unboxed them, bro, so we can bypass all of that. With no further ado, the Diamond Turf. I need to get somewhere and sit down so I can really show y'all these shoes. We gonna get, hold on. Use the mess, bro. I got shit everywhere. The tie in the way. Got a heat press machine over here that I ain't used yet. And since I was finna be on here, I said, you know, let me go ahead and get myself together and put a little bit of clothes on. Yeah, I knew this bitch was dead. You're dead. I want his family dead. What movie was that? I think that was Robert De Niro's like, I want his family dead. I want his wife dead. I'm gonna have to go back and watch some of the old movies from like when I was a kid that I didn't understand then that I might probably understand now as an adult. Like Pretty Woman. I don't know why. I think I know why. Julia Roberts was actually kind of fine to me when I was a kid, so I think that's why I like that movie. But the real question is, why was I allowed to watch that shit? Wait, I probably wasn't. That's the thing. I probably wasn't allowed to watch that. But yeah, man, I had to get somewhere so I could show y'all these, brother. The sleeper of the year, bro. The Deons, man. Must be the money. I'm not gonna lie to you. They them, bro. I know it's not a OG colorway. I know it's not an OG colorway, right? But for them to take an OG and do this to it, you can't tell me that this ain't damn near perfection. Nothing special about the box. It is like one of them classic Nike boxes, but again, nothing special about it. Should have did a special box for the Must Be the Monies. I ain't gonna lie to you. Colorway on these is Sail, Mica Blue, Coconut Milk. Like I said, I feel like they should have did something special for the box for these, but whatever, man. Got my true to size. I always rock true to size in most shoes. I say if you got wide feet, probably do at least a half size up. But at this point, you're an adult. You should know what size shoe you wear, bro. Like, I guess, I don't know. I guess you is stuck in that dilemma if you don't really know. But I don't know. True to size for me. So the Must Be the Monies, these are symbolic of Deon's short-lived rap career in the 90s. I want to say it was like 93, 94 or something like that. I got some of the information here because I don't remember everything, bro. And don't let these people fool you like they just be, everything be coming off the dome. People take notes, bro. It's just how it flows. That's all it is. You just got to know how to make it flow. If you know how to talk to people, then you can read some shit and make it sound like you're not reading it, brother. I'm just saying that to say, and I ain't trying to shit on nobody, but some people act like they just the fucking grand wizard of all of this shit, when in reality, they done looked it up just like the rest of us could have or should have. But yeah, these, 1994. Yeah, this nigga was signed to MC Hammer. Now, that part I did not know. I did not know he was signed to MC Hammer. That's crazy. But it kind of makes sense. Like, they kind of, I don't know, people took Hammer as a corny nigga, bro, but if you really understand, you know Hammer ain't, yeah. I ain't gonna put nigga business out there because he a preacher now, so. But just funny to me that he was signed to MC Hammer, but that's kind of dope at the same time. But yeah, his first single was Must Be the Money. It's a funny video. I should do it. Shiloh, I hope I can find a clip to throw in here. If I can, I will.
He said, these women fall in love, must be the money. What happened to you?
Cause it's funny. Shiloh is hilarious, bro. If y'all did not know. In 1994, D.I. had an album. Lead single was Must Be the Money. So, you know, with him re-signing back with Nike and Nike going back in the vault and releasing his classic sneakers, they decided, hey man, let's use that storyline and let's put a different little spin on the Diamond Turf 1. And me personally, I love what they did, bro. These were on my priority list. I'm not the type of sneakerhead that just go for all the hype releases, bro. Like, if it's fire, and I need it. They probably gonna go on sale. This is probably a shoe I could have waited on, because This is a shoe for people, I think, of a certain age group, for one. A certain age group, they not looking for the coach of the college football team. They like, talking about the nigga that coached Colorado? Yeah, this is, like I've said it before, bro. I guarantee you it's a YN somewhere that thinks Michael Jordan is a fashion designer, bro. With all the J's and he don't even know. So there's a lot of people that probably look at these shoes like, why the coach gotta, you know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. One of the ones that I had to have, especially since I couldn't get my hands on them Protos. Oh my goodness. Them Protos, I'm gonna sit them down for a second. Them Protos, the black pair, you know I wanted that pair. I'm sorry. Those, of course, was like exclusive access. You know, it's crazy. I got exclusive access from Nike the other day for the what's bro name? Vernon, Vernon. I can't remember dude's name. Victor. Yeah, they gave me exclusive access on the Victor Air Max DN8s. It's like when I look at this shoe, it's decent, but I don't know. I probably should have went on and got it because they still actually had my size when I got on the app. But I don't know. I just didn't grab them because I'm like, why y'all giving me exclusive access for this when y'all know what I buy? Because I'm gonna put that up on the screen. What the criteria was supposed to be for you to get exclusive access for these shoes. I know I'm getting off on a tangent right now, but to talk about them Protos with the exclusive access, it just made me think about this. So I gotta go this route real quick and bring that to y'all attention. They said that they made the selection on who got the exclusive access based on people who have entered raffles for these or like for the Air Max DN8s. And I have never entered a raffle for Air Max DN8s. Never. I've never entered any raffles, any drawings for an Air Max DN8, bro. So why? So that means that somebody who has entered for this silhouette didn't get the exclusive access because I got it. When I've never, I digress, man. I should have known that these was going to be an easy cop because, like I say, it's an all-white shoe and there wasn't exclusive access. And then put the limited tag on them. So, of course, they going to sit. Y'all only buy what y'all think y'all can't have. People only want what they can't have. That's, you know what kind of, I ain't going to say it because I get in trouble for what I really want to say. Very dope shoe in my opinion. Very, very slept on shoe. Very underrated shoe. A shoe that went under a lot of people's radar. I think even people who are fans of the Diamond Turfs slept on these. And I'm realizing too, like at my age, a lot of the sneakerheads that's in my age group, they still buy sneakers, but they don't really be up on what's dropping and when it's dropping. I noticed that. So I guess that sometimes that's a thing too, because I know a lot of people, like some people I was showing them to, they're like, damn, when these drop? And I'm like, damn, I had to remember that I actually am still kind of engulfed in the culture, not just in the culture, because they still in the culture. Like you go, they still buying sneakers every day. Right, but they just not engulfed in it to where they paying attention to what's dropping and when it's dropping. Like if they see something drop, oh boom, let me get that. I ain't know them was coming out of me. Me, I'm the type that I know what's dropping and when it's dropping. What changed that for me was Lost and Found. I was still in that mode of I'm just an old school sneakerhead. I just like shoes. When I see a shoe I like, I buy it. When I realized that I missed out on Lost and Founds, that was the day that changed my life back to, okay, I need to stay up on these sneaker release dates because now I'm missing out on stuff that needs to be in my closet. That plays into it as well. Lot of other dope sneakers, of course. I've said that on so many occasions. That's in conversations with people. So much heat dropping this year. Too much heat dropping this year. Fire Red 5s are sitting, bro. We in the climate right now where Fire Red 5s is sitting, bro. Sorry, my GI, my Gary Indiana came out right there. Fire Red 5s. That sounds like the same thing, but it's really not. If you from where I'm from, you know exactly what I said. Water. Yeah. Not to mention, we getting off into holiday season. It's time to stop shopping for ourselves, especially if you got kids. it's really time to stop looking for you now at this point. Ain't nothing about you at this point. Even with all of that though, I'm still kind of mad at the disrespect that this shoe got. Not mad at in the sense of because I was able to easily cop. So thank you, appreciate that. But in the sense of y'all always talk about y'all like storylines, creativity, just you know what I'm saying, different stuff. Y'all, we want something different. Give us something different. And then when they do, when they give y'all creativity, when they give y'all something different, when they give y'all a storyline, you let it sit. And then you let it go on sale. But when something's limited, something that you know you can't get, something you know you probably not gonna be able to get for retail, y'all run to it. Like I just that's the part of it I don't get. Like I say, I'm not mad. Easy cop for me. I love it. I love it. Just like I say, the disrespect for a special silhouette that's something different with a storyline that's everybody say that's what y'all want, and then y'all let them sit and then wonder why they charging us $215, $225, $230 for everything. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Other than that, bro, one more thing. I got some more Yeezy Gap stuff that matter of fact, I got on some Yeezy Gap right now. Not even Yeezy Gap. This just Yeezy Los Angeles Archive. It's that free Hoove joint. You hear me? But yeah, I got some Yeezy Gap stuff. I keep saying Yeezy. I got so accustomed to saying that, but I do got some Yeezy gear that I've had for a while. Actually, took a long time to get the shit, and I've had it for a while. But I just got so far into other things, and I wasn't really doing a lot of videos like that. So yeah, I got the Bully shirt. I think I showed the Bully shirt on another video. I'm gonna have to go back and double check. But I got some more stuff from the Gosha collection before, you know, the Gosha collab ended. So that first little run, I did get a couple pieces, and I just never actually, you know what I'm saying, showcase them. So I am going to put those in another video. Sometime this week I will shoot that video, and y'all will see that video. So be on the lookout for that. What else? Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm out. Peace, love. I'm gone.